Okay, so before you wonder who's this random girl popping on your feed, let me tell you why this channel exists. I'm a 19-year-old computer science engineering student, not that I want to be an engineer. I'm currently into freelancing, branding करती हूँ, marketing करती हूँ, but majorly I'm a writer and I'm doing this freelancing so that I can, fund my startup that I'm building. So I have a thing for entrepreneurship and making money. Now you've got that. ऑल्सो जस्ट बिकॉज मैं राइटर हूँ, मैं शायरी भी लिखती हूँ, पोइट्री भी लिखती हूँ, आई एम बाउंड टू बी अ डीप पर्सन. सो आई एम सॉरी इफ आई गो इंटेंस in between. That's gonna happen a lot. Now this channel isn't gonna be about me selling you courses or digital products, just because I'm in marketing, so I'm persuading you guys into buying something. It's not gonna happen like that, so relax. It's more like me sharing my perspective because I'm a strongly opinionated person and Instagram was getting too overwhelming and too meh for me because मतलब सभी वहाँ कंटेंट डाल रहे हैं, तुम्हारा कंटेंट अच्छा है नहीं है, ब्रेन रॉटिंग है, व्हाटएवर, सभी डाल रहे हैं. सो आई डोंट वांट माय पर्सपेक्टिव टू गेट डाइल्यूटेड. सो आई चोज यूट्यूब विच इज़ मोर फोकस्ड एंड कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड. एंड आज हम उसी के बारे में बात करेंगे, why this thing is happening, why is Instagram getting so overwhelming for us. I've been noticing this ki whatever content we are consuming, you, me, all of us, we're running in a loop. Let's say we follow 5 creators. These 5 creators make reel of one topic recycled in different phrases and lines and metaphors. लेकिन let's say मैंने एक reel like करी, then you liked it, then our mutual liked it, travel करते करते it again pops up on our feed. So we think that social media is infinite, which it is, but हमारी जो feed है, that is very claustrophobic, right? It repeats itself every day. There is nothing new in it. So every topic demands our brain. हमारा जो opinion होता है या जो reaction होता है to that reel, let's say even meme or something controversial, everything, every slice slowly adds up to our brain frying. Okay, now comes the best part. I love this part. Now you'll say that मैं जो reels देख रही हूँ या देख रहा हूँ, that is not really brain rotting. I don't watch that cringe content. I used to tell the same to my elder brother when he accused me of having 5 hours Instagram screen time. मेरे भाई ने बोला that it's still 5 hours. What the hell are you watching? And I'm like, okay, podcast clips होती है, कभी एलेक्स हरमोजी की business related reel आ जाती है बीच में. But it's still 5 hours clogging your brain, if not frying. Now let's say एक reel में एक Elon Musk आके तुमको ravioli सिखा रहा है. It's still useless. So what if it's Elon Musk you're talking about? Still useless. If it's not adding value to your skills or your personality or sharpening your brain, वो सिर्फ एक मुर्दे इंसान की हार्ट बीट की तरह फ्लैट है, then there is no argument or debate to be done at it. I'm sorry guys, I had to change the place. There was a lot of glare coming from their side and also a lot of noise. So there is a creator named Moksh Vasant, brilliant creator. I've been following him since a long time. उसकी एक signature line है, I love being jack of all trades. Now the thing that has happened, a lot of people as an audience have started taking it in a wrong way. They're dabbling into everything, stocks, coding, baking, how to make a matcha, how to read French to a toddler, everything. Now what they don't emphasize on is उसने कभी नहीं बोला master of none. The rest of the phrase jack of all trades, master of none, लेकिन master of none तो उसने कभी बोला ही नहीं. Because somewhere he knows and somewhere you also know that you need to master in order to become someone. But people are killing everything and just trying to pick up everything superficially just to appear charismatic than to be charismatic. And that is the sole difference between being a horizontal person and being a vertical person. And I'm sorry, मतलब मैं horizontal, vertical, I'm giving a lot of keywords and technical words because I'm a science student, but I'll make it simple. Horizontal people are the ones who just are on the mission to name the skills rather than learn the skills. दे आर लाइक ठीक है मैं टेनिस तो खेलती हूँ लेकिन फ्रंट एंड बैक एंड आता है, बट आई हैवंट प्लेड अ टूर्नामेंट, लाइक नेवर. ओके आई गो टू द जिम, आई जस्ट डू लेग प्रेस, लेग एक्सटेंशन, स्क्वाट्स करती हूँ, बट आई हैव नेवर ट्राइड बल्गेरियन स्प्लिट्स और हिप थ्रस्ट और एनीथिंग. ओके या आई डू नो समथिंग अबाउट ब्लॉक चेन, बट आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट क्रिप्टो करेंसी और बिटकॉइंस. Okay, I'm into branding, but for me, branding is all about giving out colors and logos to make it all aesthetic. So this is what you're doing. You're just collecting keywords rather than mastering even one skill. जबकि जो vertical लोग होते हैं, they are at least like bare minimum होता है कि तुम एक चीज या skill master करो, because these horizontal people have an insecurity that what if I look dumb, what if I am dumb, so they try to learn everything and don't master anything, just surface level, so that they hit that particular dopamine in their systems. And these people are known as pseudo intelligent people. Oh, by the way, I've been loving this setup. I mean, मेरे को शुरू से यही shoot करना था, but anyways. And you'll notice, there is a fun part, if you guys have also noticed, because मैंने तो बहुत किया है. There are people who get offended at everything, who get triggered about everything. नेपाल में क्या हुआ, ट्रम्प का क्या हुआ, मोदी जी का क्या हुआ, what is the difference between feminism and misandrism. Now, the thing is, okay, let's say you are a professional debater, you do MBUMens, valid. तुम professionally journalism या media pursue कर रहे हो, and इन सब की चिंता है तुम्हें, valid. But now you are someone like me, going to college, building business, startups, barely having time to even drink coffee. Do you really think you should be consuming these kind of content? And by the way, I'm not talking about the people who are genuinely into geopolitics and debates and everything. Like, I love people who are connoisseur of certain things. I love talking about it. I'm against the people who are pseudo-intelligent, but never mind. Now, why you shouldn't consume content that is not even your radar or not even useful for you. Now, let's say your brain has 5 compartments. पहला self के लिए होता है, like your health, mental, social, emotional, तुम्हारे जो taste है, how do you like dressing, like how do you want to look, anything that has you centered. Second thing is relationships. तुम्हारे parents के साथ, friends के साथ, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife, dogs, or whatever it is, business partners, team. The next third one is your work. Like maybe you want to build a business, maybe you want to excel academically, or तुम masters कर रहे हो या startup कर रहे हो, जो भी कर रहे हो या job कर रहे हो. The fourth one is your hobbies. Let's say I love reading books. Currently I'm reading these 2 books related to business. One is this Laws of Human Nature, and one is this Ogilvy on advertising, because I'm into copywriting, so I love reading about psychology and everything. Majorly into literature. Again, like I said, I'm a writer. So your hobbies. And the 5th compartment is supposed to remain for your self development. Generally empty रहना चाहिए. You would have noticed जब आप idle बैठते हो, or maybe when you shower, or when you brush, or you are just on a walk, you randomly strike an idea. Now that compartment is for that. It's because तुम्हारा जो creative aspect है वो fresh रह सके for that other 4 things. Like maybe you want to think something of your business, how to scale your business, how to work on the broken relationship. Now let's say वो 5th drawer जिसके बारे में मैंने बात करी, that is not remaining empty. That is being filled with unnecessary drama. Let's say you're watching Big Boss, or you're watching Andrew Tate or Wizard Liz. You're dumping a lot of things कि Wizard Liz का breakup क्यों हुआ, Andrew Tate misogynistic क्यों है, and all that stuff that is not even necessary to you. Where will your creativity sit? Where will you get an out of the box ideas if you're not keeping yourself a bit empty and idle, right? तो मेरे लाइफ का फंडा तो सॉर्टेड है. दैट स्टॉप बीइंग सस्ता Sherlock Holmes who tries to be smart, who tries to act charismatic rather than being one. To be very honest, charisma is not even what people think. I hope I can make a video on it because I've been reading a lot of books by Robert Greene. Like मैंने 48 Laws of पढ़ी है. I am halfway through this human laws of nature, and I'm also halfway through Art of Seduction. It's just here. So I hope I can make a video on it, and I will. So you trying to look smart and look charismatic is actually making you more dumb than you actually being dumb in certain areas. And anyways, Sherlock Holmes still needed John Watson. So yeah, like, no one can be everything, and stop being overwhelmed by everything. This is your lady signing off.